So what you can also do is you can access out Illustrator's Image Trace effect by using Adobe Bridge. So to do that, I'm going to select one image right here just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and select out another image as well. So it can be one or more images. Then what you can do is you can go around onto the Tools menu, and under Illustrator, you can see that Image Trace is an option. So simply go ahead and choose this right here, and what happens is that it will load up Adobe Illustrator. And then over here, you can see that it opened up the Image Trace window of Illustrator right here. So now what you can do is you can choose an effect that you like. So let's just go around onto, let's say, low color tracing right here. You can also vectorize the layer to a single document as well, just like this. You can save and close the result or vectorize into a single document. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply choose within height right here, just like this, and press OK. And once you go ahead and do that, the image trace task actually starts up. So this is what you have, as you can see, and it has started tracing up files. So you simply need to go ahead and wait for a bit. So you can see that it is processing right there. And now in Illustrator, as I chose the option, you can see that it actually traced out the image right here in a single file. So now while it does look like a bit of an image right here, these are actually vector files. So if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that these are actually vector files right here. And it traced out the image right here just like this. And you can see that they are made out of blobs right here, or pots, instead of pixels. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the Illustrator Image Trace option inside of Adobe Illustrator using Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.